welcome back. So this is another video including the BPerfect palette. You know that I'm doing this series right now and I'm really loving this makeup. I love this makeup. I usually like to combine like neutral colors with something very colorful underneath, and especially with green. So as I already mentioned, I used this palette, and right now I can actually tell you that so far this performs very well, and I'm very pleased with the performance, the color payoff, the blendability, so everything is really nice so far. And I also used the highlighter from this palette today and it's beaming and I love it. So what else did I use? I use again my Jungsaemmol foundation, which I really like, and I still have a little bit of foundation left, which I will use today in another video when I will do something else. And I really like this foundation, probably one of the best Korean beauty foundations that I've tried so far. And what else? And that's it. The hat is from Lack of Colors. The dress is from Stylelanda. It has these like puffy sleeves and I love it, and that's it. Do you like my hair like this? I kind of love this vibe, like desert boho chic princess in a way, with crazy makeup, but I like it. So let's get started with the tutorial.